Hey, it's James Nicholson. I hope you're well. And in this video, I want to talk about the funnel marketing strategy and how it can literally transform your business overnight when you implement it the right way. Now, I'm going to assume if you're watching a video like this, that you're a coach, consultant, entrepreneur, business owner, or someone looking to start or grow a business. Now, if that is you, while you're here, make sure that you smash the subscribe button because this channel has lots of content every single day about marketing, growing, and scaling a business. Now, my name is James Nicholson, and I've been in business now for over 17 years. And during that time, I've developed something very, very special, which I call my business accelerator methodology. Now, using this methodology, I've gone on to generate many millions of sales in my businesses, but I've also mentored thousands of business owners just like you so they can achieve the same. And they've gone on to generate many hundreds of millions of pounds in sales in their businesses too. So let's talk marketing funnel strategy. What is it and how does it work? Well, basically, what happens with a marketing funnel and the strategy is to take people in baby steps. You see, where most marketing fails is people try and get married on a first date, right? And that just doesn't work these days. You can't just expect to advertise in the newspaper, on Facebook or Google, and people to instantly buy your product or service. They need to get warmed up. And so we need to take people on a journey, and that journey is going to give value to these people. And over time, we're going to warm them up and turn them into people who buy again and again and again. So how do we start? Well, we need to start first with content. Right? Content like this video here. Now, the content can go on whatever platform your ideal customer hangs out on, which could be Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, LinkedIn. I don't know. It doesn't matter. But the point of the content is to hook people's attention, to get them focused on you and to demonstrate that you're an expert. So the process starts that they can begin to know you, like you, and trust you by putting this content out. That's very, very, very important here. And so content is there to give value. You're not looking to sell in that content at all. Just give pure, unadulterated value, right? That's really, really important. Next, we need some leads in our business, right? So we're going to do that. We're going to capture some leads, right? You're going to capture some leads and get them into your business. Now, how do you do that? Well, no problem. I've got you covered here. So basically, you're going to give them something of value. It could be a guide, a report, a discount voucher, opting in for a training. There's tons of different things. Actually, if you want a load of different things, in the description of this video will be a link to my ebook on my best 30 lead gen strategies. So you can grab that for free. Go and check it out while you're here. Now, the lead capture is really important because we need to be able to have a conversation with people and follow up with them, right? And so we do that via email marketing once we've captured the lead, right? Now, once you've captured the lead, you need to do something very important next. Now, before we get to that, can you do me a favor? If you're getting some value so far from this video, and if you haven't, you are going to get some. So please just bear with me. Can you give me a quick like on this video, guys? Give me a quick like on the video. That helps me greatly with the YouTube algorithm and it will push this video out to more people. So please give me a like. That's really, really important. Now, next, we want to turn them into a customer, right? End of the day, it's customers who pay your bills. Really important stuff to know that, right? You know that. Now, it's important that you turn these people into a customer. And so how can you do that? Well, one way you can do that is to sell something cheap, right? So if you took the ebook below, you'd see that straight away I offered you my book, right? You can go and grab a copy of Expert Mastery for free. Now, I don't make any money on that, but what happens is if you buy something from me and you get value, then you're more likely to come back and buy from me again. Another way that we do that is for coaches and consultants and people that basically work on appointments, is we get the client, the prospect, to schedule an appointment with you, right? And that could be that you go and see them on a visit or they book a strategy call with you, right? That's going to be the way that you'll turn them into a customer. So you can either sell them something cheap or you can get them to book a call or a visit with you. So that's how you turn them into a customer. Now, On that call or on that visit, you're going to offer your core product or service at this stage, right? Whatever your core product or service is, this is where you're going to offer it, and that's the time. Now, think about this. They've gone through 4 steps here. They've got immense value from you. You've built a relationship. You haven't rushed the sale here. You've taken your time to get to know your client, give them more value, position you're an expert, demonstrate that you really know what you're talking about, and that is where when people come to buy your core offer, you're going to convert more of those people. In fact, you'll be able to sell your products and services for significantly more because you are now an expert in these people's eyes. So you're going to offer your core offer then. Right, just to recap these first 4 before we go into the last one. Content's there to demonstrate you're an expert. People buy from experts. People buy from people that give value, that help them. That's what your content is there for. Then you need some leads because not everyone's ready to buy straight away. So if you get them as a lead, at least you can warm them up, keep that conversation going, and when they're ready to buy, they can come and see you, right? And that's important that you get as many leads as you can in your business. So you're going to do that giving something away, a guide, report, discount voucher, webinar. Remember, there's an ebook down below where you can get 30 lead gen strategies and really see which one fits your business best. Then we want to have a go at turning them into a customer. So a couple of options: sell them something cheap, like my book. So I give away the book. I just get people to pay for shipping. If you want a copy of the book, that's in the description as well. Or you get people to book a strategy call with you or a visit where you go out and see them. Whatever your mechanism is, we actually go through all of this on our Business Accelerator program and help you get this implemented and working. But that's how you're going to do that. Now, then you're going to offer your core product or service. Then what's next, right? You need to do some more, and that is to continue to sell to these people. That's really, really important that you do that, right? You must have additional products and services that you keep putting out there, keep giving value to these people. Continuing to sell to people is really, really, really important. Now, if you don't do that,